Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. How are you friends? I know you are fit and fine. And friends, my name is Shalu, and if you watch my videos, so you know very well that I am a learner. I am learning spoken English. In my videos, I show you that how I am learning, how I am improving day by day. And if I talk about today's video, so in this video I am sharing that why I am not learning, and whenever I speak I make so many mistakes while speaking. Why I make so many mistakes? So I think friend, if we learn something, so we have to face so many problems to learn that thing. So same here, I am learning this language, and I think you also face this thing that whenever you speak you make so many mistakes while speaking. Even you know that I have to make this sentence with this rule even though you speak wrong. I don't know about you, but if I talk about myself, so I think that whenever I speak, so I think that if I don't speak so much fast, so no one talks me, so they will think that she is not speaking good, she is taking so much pauses, and she is not good at English, so they will not talk to me. So that's why I try to speak fast. I don't think about right or wrong, I speak fast. But friend, believe me when I think about my English, that how I am improving, and uh, is I am improving. So I think that yeah, I made this sentence wrong. Why I made this sentence wrong? I know the rule of this sentence, and I know I have to make this sentence with this rule. Even though I made this sentence, then I get sad that no yaar, why what I know, even though I am making this sentence wrong, so it is not good. How I will improve? So friend, uh, if we learn something, so day by day we learn something. So same here, it is happening with me. I am learning something new day by day. So I also learned this thing that whenever we speak, so we can take time. It is not a bad thing, it is, I think it is a procedure. It happens with everyone, and no one is perfect in one day, no one can perfect in one day. And it is our right that if we speak, so we can take pauses. No, it is not a bad thing. Before I thought that yes, no one will talk me, no one talks me, no one will talk me, and so that's why I make a sentence, I speak very fast. So now I realize that no, if I have to improve, so first think and then speak, then I have to deliver my word. You can apply this thing that if you speak, so first think then speak. It takes time, you can take pauses, okay, no, it doesn't matter. If you are speaking 10 sentences and you are making 7 to 8 sentence wrong, so what is the use of speaking English? If you know that sentence, that I can make this sentence right, so take time and make that sentence and speak. It is a starting stage. If I talk about myself that I am learning, so it is right that we can take time, and we can learn slowly. And if we speak fast, so if you speak like this, and you are a good speaker, so in future you will be face so many problems to improve yourself. If you think that you have to remove this thing, and you are a learner and you can remove this thing, yes, it takes time, and you also get nervous, frustrated. Friends, I also get nervous, frustrated, that it is very, sometimes I think that it is very tough thing, but it is not a tough, we can do it to speak if we try. So everything is possible. So think that only thing that I have to speak, and day by day I have to improve with my English. I have to improve. And if you friend, you are improving with me, and you have any suggestion, and so please friend, comment me in comment box, and support me. Friends, please subscribe my channel, and if you like this video, so please like also. So friend, apply this method to improve yourself. Till then, keep learning.